Alright, broke this jam nut here with the size 21. Now we got this off. Got it off the knuckle. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this outer tie rod off and the inner tie rod off and get it all replaced. There's that clip we need to pop on that inner side of the boot. And once we pop that clip and break that clamp open, we're gonna come here and open up this clamp with needle nose pliers so we can then remove the boot and then get to removing these tie rod ends. One, two, $19, $20, $20. Got the R on there for the right side. Outer tie rod, 20 spins. Alright, we're going to get this boot out the way and remove this knuckle here so that this inner tie rod will come out and get this inner tie rod replaced as well as the outer tie rod. Alright, on this driver's side, I was still able to break this jam nut, which is a good thing, because I'll be able to remove this outer tie rod, and then we'll do the same thing over here and get this inner tie rod removed. But now this outer tie rod will come out. I wasn't sure how I was going to do it, because as you can see, this tie rod, the inner tie rod, is what's bent up when they wrecked this Mercedes. Alright, here's the inner tie rod with that boot removed. But I'm going to go ahead and start on the passenger side as far as the inner tie rod. Then I'll hop back over here to the driver's side and pull this inner tie rod off. Alright, real quick on how I broke loose that inner tie rod. Using the inner tie rod tool and your ratchet, I placed the other end on the floor jack and I just lifted it up till it snapped it loose. Now I go ahead and remove all this and take this inner tie rod out. Alright, you're gonna want to lift that knuckle up a little bit to have better and easier access to install that inner tie rod. Okay, now that we got that inner tie rod in, we're gonna go ahead and put our boot back on and clamp it down. Once we got this boot back on, then we can get this outer tie rod in. There's that inner tie rod and boot back on. Now let's get this outer tie rod on. Okay, here goes the outer tie rod, the inner tie rod, the boot. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this side down and jump over to the driver's side.